Hi everyone, welcome to my ecosystem. Guess what we're learning about this week? Ecosystems. You may be able to hear the birds behind me, that's all living, the trees are living, and what distinguishes them between living and non-living? Well, the things they need. The living needs air, needs water, it grows and it dies, and the living does not. But all of it works together to interact and it's interdependent on the ecosystem. The birds need the trees, they need the twigs to make their nest. There was a lizard behind me a minute ago, but he needs the porch for shelter, so he definitely needs something non-living to protect him. So that's what we're going to work on this week, and we've got lots of things planned for you. On Monday, you're going to log into STEMscopes, and STEMscopes is the book that we use throughout the year, and this is what it looks like. So on here, you will enter your 6-digit ID number for username and password. And when you do that, it will take you to your assignments. You have a reading to do on Monday, and you have a assessment at the end of the week on Friday. So that's from Monday, you'll log into STEMscopes. On Tuesday, you're going to go to Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle will have a quick video for you to watch, and it will have questions for you to answer. You can enter your email there. I think it actually just takes you straight to the video to watch. And you'll watch a video on ecosystems. On Wednesday, we have a craft for you to do. And you will take pictures of that craft, and you can send them in on Dojo. You can post them on to the Google Classroom or email. But you're going to do a mural of living and non-living in an ecosystem together. On Thursday, we have quizzes for you to do, and then on Friday, you'll log back into STEMscopes and do a couple of assessments for us. Every week on Google Classroom, on here, right here, is where you'll see the agenda for the week. And when you click on it, something like this will come up, and it'll have all your logins there. It'll have all the plans for you to do for that week. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. You can Dojo me, send me an email. You can send me a message on Google Classroom. I hope you're all doing well. Know that I miss you, and I'm sending you all a great big virtual hug. I'll take care, and I'll see you later on this week.